So excited to be redoing our patio space. The very first thing we had to do, however, was clean up. We have a lovely dog who likes to hang out there and kind of make a mess of things, so we had to make sure we got all the nooks and crannies of the patio space, do new mulch, and kind of really do a deep clean. Ben even decided to take that leap and invest in a power washer. The next thing we had to do was pick out pieces that we absolutely loved. This was the fun part. We wanted a little bit of color, but something that was timeless, so we stuck to neutrals, but decided that pop of orange was going to be perfect for our new patio space. Next, we wanted to make sure that the surrounding space complemented our beautiful new patio furniture. We went with that pop of orange, but we still wanted more color. So we went to Home Depot and we picked out flowers that were different, some perennials, some annuals that we knew would come back, but wanted lots of color and even some funky flowers that you just don't see everywhere to complement. And now that we have totally finished designing our space, we even put some tiki lights up, which is nice because the tiki lights also keep out the bugs, which is very important when you're hanging out outdoors in a patio space, because the last thing you want is to be eaten by bugs. So the tiki lights keep the bugs away, but they also have that cool aesthetic. It adds a cool aesthetic to the space. So I'm glad Ben put up the tiki lights. They keep away the bugs, but they also look really awesome and provide a little extra light, in addition to our fire pit that was like a must to complete the space. So now it's time to enjoy it, and we love hosting. So our first guests are obviously my parents.